Hola. Hoy quiero presentar 6 verbos. 6 verbos seems like a lot, pero no te preocupes. And that is how we say, don't worry. Escucha, no te preocupes. So you're going to remember this by saying to yourself, don't worry, don't preoccupy yourself. Don't preoccupy yourself. Escucha, no te preocupes. Bien. El primer verbo es querer. Some ejemplos, unos ejemplos. Yo quiero reservar una habitación. ¿Tú quieres reservar una habitación? ¿O usted quiere habitaciones? ¿Usted quiere reservar una habitación? Nosotros, that's we. Nosotros queremos estar en España. We want to be in Spain. Nosotros queremos estar en España. Vosotros queréis estar en Inglaterra. Do you want to be in England? And that's speaking to a couple or a group. Queréis. Y finalmente, quieren. So this is the one they use in America Latina to talk to a couple or a group. Quieren estar en Inglaterra. Bien. So that is el verbo querer. Nice and easy. Segundo verbo, poder. Poder means power. And it also means to be able to or can. Yo puedo. I can. Tú puedes. You can. Or él puede. And you also hear sí se puede, which means yes you can. And that's just a little structure. So if you learn that as a set phrase. Sí se puede. Yes you can. It can be done. Sí se puede. Podemos is we can. Podemos reservar una habitación. Podéis for vosotros y pueden. So if you're asking for somebody to keep a room for you, pueden guardar la habitación para nosotros. Bien? Okay, that was el segundo verbo. You see, we're just running through los ejemplos y no es difícil. Es fácil. El tercer verbo es incluir, which means to include. And what I want to think about is the families of words. So included is incluido. The 3 meals that you might have are el desayuno, el almuerzo y la cena. La cena está incluido. El desayuno está incluido en el precio. Pero el almuerzo no está incluido en el precio. Bien? And you can ask, ¿el precio incluye la comida? Does the price include the food? And that's all we need for that verb. The next 2, I want to think about these word families again. Abrir is to open, like an aperture. Abrir. So open is abierto, or for something feminine, a feminine noun, abierta. El hotel está abierto. El restaurante está abierto. La piscina, which is the pool, está abierta. Okay? So, ¿a qué hora means at what time? ¿A qué hora abre la piscina? What time does the pool open? ¿A qué hora abre el restaurante? ¿Entiendes? Same for cerrar. Cerrar means to close. Okay? Cerrar. So cerrado is closed. Si hablamos de la piscina, cerrada. La piscina está cerrada. Bien, ¿vale? Bien. And the last verb that I want to talk about today is I. I means there is, of course. So hay garaje, is there a garage? Hay piscina, is there a pool? Hay restaurante, is there a restaurant? But it's also used to mean you have to. And for that, you need I que. So maybe you could treat it as a completely different structure. I que, you have to, is a completely different meaning from I, meaning there is or there are. Completamente diferente. So you could ask, hay que reservar la plaza de aparcamiento. And that means, do you have to reserve the parking space? Hay que reservar una mesa en el restaurante. Do you have to reserve a seat at the table at the restaurant? See? So this is maybe something new. Try to make some sentences with it. Try to imagine using este vocabulario, because así el vocabulario becomes part of your working vocabulario. Bien, if you are using Pasos, I think that you can now do this ejercicio, actividad 9, parte B, which asks you to translate, traduce, la consulta, the email, on página 55. So if you're using Pasos, you should have todo el vocabulario que necesitas ahora. And if you are using Pasos, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and maybe share it with some other friends who also want to learn español. Y nos vemos aquí muy pronto por un poquito más. I hope this has been useful for you, and muchísimas gracias for watching my channel. Hasta pronto. Adiós.